You can apply your image as a stamp in Affinity Photo. Go to the Sources panel. You can find that in View menu, Studio and Sources, and click this button at the bottom. Go to the Tools panel and select the Clone Brush tool. Go to the Sources panel and double click the entry. As you hover over the image, you can see a crosshair. Click on the centre of the document. Go to the top and select Global. Select Not Aligned. Set rotation and set scale to something like 39 or 40% and apply. Select a different brush and apply again in different parts of the image. You can vary the scale, increase it or decrease it, and also the rotation, and apply again. Use different blending modes, negation, difference, and apply. And again, vary the rotation and the scale. You can also increase it if you wish as well, and apply again. Hope you found this tutorial of interest. Thank you very much.